Should I clean my outdoor unit every spring? Yes, gently cleaning it every spring helps your air conditioner or heat pump move air, use less energy, and avoid preventable repairs. Before cleaning, turn off the power at the outdoor shutoff box and at the main electrical panel so the fan cannot start unexpectedly. Remove leaves, grass, weeds, and other debris from around the unit, leaving about 2 feet of open space on every side. Carefully clean the metal fins with a soft brush or a gentle stream of water from the inside toward the outside, because dirt usually collects on the outer surface. The fins are thin metal pieces that release heat, so bending them can block airflow and make the system work harder. Do not use a pressure washer because its strong spray can crush the fins or force dirt deeper into the coil. Keep the spray away from electrical panels and let the unit dry before restoring power. A little-known problem is cottonwood fluff and fine grass dust, which can form a felt-like blanket over the coil even when the unit looks fairly clean. After cleaning, check that the fan grill is secure, but do not open electrical covers or try to repair refrigerant lines yourself. A common mistake is cleaning while the power is still on, so shut off both power sources before touching the unit. Another mistake is spraying from the outside inward, which pushes dirt farther into the coil, so spray from the inside outward when you can safely reach it. Many people also cut grass right beside the unit and let clippings stick to the wet coil, so direct the mower away and wait until the area is dry. Cleaning cannot fix a failing motor, low refrigerant, or damaged wiring, so call a qualified technician if the system makes unusual noises, freezes, or struggles to cool the house. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.